Hi, my name is Marky. I am a student at MSU, and I am in an integration technology class where I get to participate in an after-school technology program. I got to work at Eastside Elementary School in Livingston once a week for 6 weeks. Yes, I had to drive 30 miles each week, but it was worth it. The program goes from 3:30 to 5:30, allowing parents to make it back from jobs in Bozeman. This school gave me the opportunity to work with their Links after school program and learn what it was like to work with an after school program. Eastside showed me a school that doesn't have as much money but works with what they have. The technology club experience was made to use technology in our lessons every week. I found I had to enhance lessons with technology, not make technology lessons and hope they fit the standards. One main part of the after-school program was to keep students engaged. In order to keep the students engaged, I had to find topics that engaged the students. But I also had to keep in mind that they had already had a full day of school. For our activity, we chose a lesson that we could incorporate a video into that was about the phases of the moon. The video was interesting and did a better job explaining the phases than I could have, enhancing the reasons for why to use technology. After watching the video, it was easier to teach the students about the phases of the moon. It also made the activity easier because the students already knew about the phases and could complete the activity with only a few questions. This experience showed me that technology is all around us, but it doesn't mean we have to use it all the time. It is here to enhance an everyday lesson and should never make the lesson more difficult to teach as a teacher or to understand as a student.